Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by protecting everything that matters. Tape the wall ceiling joint with a 3/4 painter's tape and press it tight so paint won't bleed underneath. Once done, lay drop cloths and place a 1/2 foam or paper shield along light fixtures and trim to catch splatter. Then cut in at the ceiling line with an angled brush, keeping strokes steady and controlled. This creates a crisp barrier so the roller never touches the ceiling. You must manage paint volume and tool choice to avoid drift. Load the roller lightly, roll off excess on the tray, and use a 3/8 1/2 nap roller for steady coverage. A soggy roller throws splatter. Work in 3-4-foot sections, always rolling away from the ceiling edge and keeping a wet edge so seams flatten without pushing paint upward. Once a section is uniform, blend quickly toward your cut-in line. You finish by removing tape at the tacky stage. Pull it back slowly at a 45 degrees angle to keep edges sharp. Waiting until fully dry risks peeling. If you see a speck on the ceiling, blot immediately with a damp cloth. If dry, use ceiling-matched paint with a small brush for touch-ups. If tape bleed happened, sand lightly, clean, and repaint the joint with careful cutting in. A quick sanding and a precise repaint fixes most problems without redoing the whole wall.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.